Today we are cooking jollof rice in a simple and easy way. Also, this video is going to be a speed cooking. So I'm making jollof rice for dinner for my family. So guys, let's cook together. So these are the peppers I'm using. I have red bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, fresh tomatoes, and onions. So as you can see, I've already started cutting the peppers. So along the line, I said, let me just film this recipe and share it with you guys. So in a pot, I will add cooking oil, follow with chopped onions. I will be adding garlic and ginger powder, curry powder, thyme, and here I have Spicity and all-purpose seasonings. And if you don't have these two while making your jollof rice, it's fine. Without this, your jollof rice can still come out perfectly. Then I will go in with bay leaf. And I'm going to fry this for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, I will go ahead to add the tomato paste. And for this, I will be frying it for 10 to 15 minutes. So I want the tomato paste to be perfectly fried because we don't want a biting jollof rice. So always allow your tomato paste to be well fried to avoid that bite. Now the tomato paste is well fried. I will go ahead to add the minced peppers. So guys, like I said before, this is a speed cooking. There's no time to steam these minced peppers. So I'm just going to mince and let it to boil down for 20 to 25 minutes. So with this, your jollof will still turn out well. Also, I have a video on party jollof rice. I will share the link in description box. So here is the rice I'm using. And I will go ahead to wash it thoroughly. And at this point, I will add in seasoning cube and salt. So if today is your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So to my old and new subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you all so much for your support. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you. Now the stew is well cooked and it tastes so good. You can actually use this to eat bread and white rice. So guys, I will go ahead and add the washed rice. Then I will mix very well to combine. After mixing, I'll go ahead with the chicken stock. So if you are not using meat stock, chicken stock, or whatsoever meat you are using, or you can also use water. But there's no jollof rice without meat now. There must be meat stock. So next I will cover it with aluminium foil and I will reduce the heat and let it steam cook. Yeah, it's going to stay cook for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, this is a point where you make adjustments to your ingredients. So for me, I noticed there is not enough salt, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Then mix. Then after mixing, I will cover it again for another 15 minutes because the rice is not soft yet. So after 15 minutes, I will go ahead to add some butter, sliced onions, and sliced fresh tomatoes. Then I will cover and leave it on a high heat. Yes guys, right now I'm going to increase the heat because I want it to burn. Yeah, so that it will give you that smoky jollof rice. Guys, so right now jollof rice is finally ready. So we are going to dish. Guys, come bring your plate and let's dish this food and enjoy. And I will garnish it with some spring onions. And here I have fried chicken. I told you there is no jollof rice without meat too. Guys, just look at this beautiful texture, these beautiful colors, and it looks so amazing, so inviting. So guys, we are going to taste it right now. Yummy. This rice is very delicious. So very delicious. So guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.